Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make TikTok video of 60 seconds or longer than 15 seconds. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your TikTok app and then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? And then after that, just go ahead and click on the plus sign on the bottom part of your screen. And then after that, you can see there is a options on the upper part of the button where you want, if you want to play video. So there's 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. So just go ahead and choose 60 seconds, and then here you can add timer if you want, filters, speed, beautify, so whatever you want. So just go ahead and take the video that you want, and it is now on 1 minute duration. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.